Hello everyone and welcome back. So, I've got a few things to do today. I want to talk about the shop update coming up. I want to talk about a sale that's coming up. But I also want to talk about how upsetting it is when I send a beautiful hat to somebody that's taken so long to make and they're really excited to get it. And then you send it all packaged up with the fragile tape and blah de blah and all the labels, and it ends up at that customer's house in an absolute state. I had no words for it. I didn't even know what to say. So I'll pop up a picture on the screen and you can see exactly what that package looks like. Luckily, the customer's hat was fine. The brim was a little bit bent, so she's flattening it out just now. But I am absolutely shocked that somebody pays for a service and that is how the package is treated. There's just absolutely no need for it. So, rant over. Let's talk shop update. So, we've got a few hats in the shop update. First is this beauty. Now, you guys seen this in a previous video and I didn't finish it in a previous video, but I have added this beautiful little moon piece of flowers in the middle with the super cute delicate fish. Look at those koi fish, I love them. We've got some beads and a layered band, and then underneath there is a lotus, which I think is really cute. So simple underneath, because normally it's quite detailed. I mean, it is detailed, but it's just not a huge pattern. And I absolutely love those fish. They are so cool, I love them. So we have this hat. Then we have this beauty, this Stay Wild Moon Child. I am going to add moons to the inside. I only just remembered that I was supposed to do that when I picked the hat up, but it's very cute. Definitely for those boho lovers like myself. And it's also got two little tiny tarot cards there, which are really cute. I think it's the moon and the world. So, very nice, yes. We'll add moons. What else have we got? Let's see. This one, just got one over on Instagram for a giveaway. So if you guys ever want to join giveaways, head on over to Instagram because that's where I do the giveaways. But this beauty, I have taken photos of. It's going to get packaged up today, but it'll be one of the hats in the shop that you can just order. And it will be slightly different because it's freehand. Mushrooms might be a little bit different, but it'll be along the lines of this. But you'll be able to pick the colour of your hat, which I think is really cool. So we've got that one going in. And this one, which is probably my favourite hat. I love them all, of course, but look at that. I think there's something really cool about it just being on the crown. It gives you that little bit extra, but also, I don't know, nice and calm and not too in your face maybe. But, oh yes, the underneath is completely done. Full of flowers on the underneath. Absolutely love it. So there's this one, also going into the shop. And then I've got one more, and it is here. We spoke about this, or actually we might not have spoken about this yet. This might be one of the videos that's coming up in the future. I have more mushrooms, but I've done them around the outside. And then got them on the underneath as well. But I thought that was just a little bit different from this one. You know, two different kind of mushroom styles. They're both very cool, but both different in their own little way. So, very cool, very cool. That is all the hats going into the shop update. There was one thing I wanted to mention again after that, and that is there is a sale on. So if you guys like the LOTR hats, they are actually on sale at the moment. Only for a week though, so you can jump on over and get them at a discounted price because I have a new design coming out soon that will be posted all over TikTok. So yes, if you want to head on over and check out the shop update, please do. You're more than welcome to come and have a little nosy. And yeah, that is it for this week. This is just a short video. I usually just do a quick short one for a shop update, but thanks guys for coming and hanging out with me. As always, if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. If not, it's totally fine. Please give the video a like and let me know what one of these hats is your favourite. Mine is the flowers on the crown, but you guys let me know in the comments, what's your favourite? I'd love to hear it. So, thanks guys, and I will see you next week.